Well, I think I like this spot right here. I've got to hurry. There's a storm coming in. Nighttime's coming. I got to hurry and set up a shelter. I'm going to do this in a timed fashion once I start. Yeah, and try to do it in 15 minutes or less. And I'm going to set up my poncho, which is in my backpack. I'm going to set it up right here facing the creek. So let's get started right here. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
You'll need to connect to the internet first.
That's retarded. Alright, so I've got a timer here for 15 minutes. And there we... Whoa. Cancel. Not an hour 15, just 15 minutes. There we go. 15 minutes. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. Alright. So... Alright, so I think I'm going to sit up right here between these two trees. Hopefully I'm wide enough. Move out a little of this. All right. I just stuffed my poncho in last time I used it, out camping on the desert. And I was had it up as a hammock. I'll pull my runners out of here. In my bag, and I've got a tarp accessory kit for ponchos here. I'll just dump that out right. I'm going to dump that out right there and go to town using it here. First of all, some cord. It's wrapped in a figure 8, like we always do, to make it easy to deploy it. And I want to be, I don't know, about this high right here, I guess. Alright, so there's that. Now we'll go around the big tree here. I can reach around it. Okay. I think we're about the same height here. Okay. Break a little of this out of here so you see what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm going to tie a taut line in here. And then I'll just make it slippery. Okay, so there's my line. Okay. Now what I want to do here is I want to face the hood to the back so it'll shed water if it rains. I'm going to put the foot end over the top here. I'm going to go to the first tie-out tab here. That's where I'm going, right there. Then I can pull this out like an awning in front of me. Okay? Okay. And okay, so I'm going to take this right here. I might wind up needing a bigger stick. I'm going to go through here. Come on. Yeah, it's going to need to be bigger. That's not very tight. I might use a shock cord on this. Okay. So now I'm going to stake my end out here. So I'm going to use you get 4/10 stakes in your 4/10 stakes in your tarp accessory kit for ponchos. And I'm going to use the elastic part of it, the shock cord, so that I can have a little tension on, a little elasticity. There. Alright, that'll work good there. Come over here to the other side and grab this one. Yeah, this will work nice right here. Hook that through there and like this right here. Pound on it with a rock here a little. There we go. Alright. So now I got tension across here, tension up there. Now we'll do out the front end. Okay. So I could tie over to there and tie over there. Alright. We'll grab our piece here, and I'll pull out a little of the end. See, the nice thing about that figure 8 wind is I'm holding all the rest of the cord in check, so I don't have to pull it all through here every time I do something. Got that little Swedish knot in there. Alright, now we'll come out through here, go around, and we come over here, and I gotta go for a taut line 2 times to the inside, 1 time to the outside. There, I can just let it fall. Snug that up. Put a little tension on it. You can't really dress out a taut line without a little bit of tension on it. So there we go right there. Now we'll do the other side. I got about 5 minutes to finish the shelter. I believe I'm going to be able to do it. Okay. So now I'm going to do the same thing right here. Shoot my end through there. Notice how the cord just stays put nicely. right in place for me. No hassle with it at all. Pull out my Swedish hitch right there, and then we'll tie it over here somewhere. You see, there we are, right there. Now we'll tie it off over here. Get around the tree. So here we are, taut line. Once, twice to the inside, once to the outside. Just let it fall. Snug that up. Put a little tension on it. Press it out a little bit. Now we just snug it up. And now we're pretty nicely set. I need to do something with that right there. And other than that, pretty good to go here. We're at 12 minutes here, 12 and a half minutes. And I've already got my shelter set. Up here got an awning, got some space back here. I'm in pretty good shape right now. So let me just clean up this top right here with some shock cord loops, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I've got my comes with 3 loops of shock cord, and I can just do whatever I need to here, I guess. I think I'll have to put 2 of these together. That'll be long enough. So you just slide the loops together, it makes a square knot. Now I should have plenty of length to go all the way around the tree here. Okay, around the other side. Oh, darn. I think I pulled on it too much. Back around again. There we are, right here. Now I'm going to, I know you can't see this, show you after. And I just put that loop through there. Put the cord lock through this other end. So I put the cord lock through there. And I just zip it down, and we're secure. All right, so there's 15 minutes. I think I could have easily done it in about 12 or so. Kind of piddled around a little bit. Drop her down a little bit. Some of this stuff I'll put back in my bag so I don't lose it. There we go. Right in there. So shelter's up, and we are good to go. There's the back view. And notice it's all being kept tight because of the elastic that we put on all of our tent stakes. So that way I'm maintaining some tension all the time on it, which is a lot better than having to re-tighten knots all the time. Alright, so I'm under the shelter. You know, were it raining or whatever, I'd be out of the rain, snowing or whatever. I'm out of it. So here I am, safe and secure in here under the awning. I've got plenty of headroom, plenty of width and room to move around. So I grabbed my fleece poncho liner here. This one's in ATAX, or not ATAX, this one is in Real Tree Extra. Nice fleece I can wrap around me in cool weather and be able to do pretty well in here. Well, it's cozy right here. I know some people don't like me to use that word cozy, but hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So I'm cooking mostly on a bed of hot coals. There's a little bit of some of these twigs here burning as well, but I can cook just solely on hot coals. I've done this before where I've really been totally flame free, just hot coals only. But I'm kind of rushing it a little bit because of the sun's gone down. It's getting dark.